Danno Simpsons, Bozeman. We are at marker.
I rhymed tonight and tonight together, and this is real fucking.
Take one.
Wants to move to the country and build her a home, prove her mama wrong and do it all on her own. Some small cow town where no one knows her name, away from her kin and all that shame. She said the city life, oh, it treated her fine, but now the 30 is here, she's kinda losing her mind. Hell, she moved out west because some TV show told her she would belong if she was brave enough to go. Now I'm picking at a bar through a barroom fight while she's trying to take a cowboy with her home tonight. Hell, I wish she looked that way right back at me. There's a cold, hard rain here in Bozeman tonight, and I'll be headed back to Denver come the morning light. So when you let me down, won't you let me down with these? Begging, darling, please. Begging, darling, please. It seems a fool like me must have found him his type. It's lovers and leavers and thieves in the night. She stole my heart and left without any trace. Now all I got is this song and my mind on her face. Now I picked my pride up off this barroom floor so many damn times I can't stand much more. Still I wish she looked that way right back at me. There's a cold, hard rain here in Bozeman tonight, and I'll be headed back to Denver come the morning light. So when you let me down, won't you let me down with these? I'm begging, darling, please. I'm begging, darling, please. I'm picking at a bar through a barroom fight while she's trying to take a cowboy with her home tonight. Hell, I wish she looked that way right back at me. There's a cold, hard rain here in Bozeman tonight, and I'll be headed back to Denver come the morning light. So when you let me down, won't you let me down with these? I'm begging, darling, please. I'm begging, darling, please. I'm begging, darling, please. I'm begging, darling, please.
Cut.